What is up, underdogs? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. We're doing another This is not a clickbait. I meant what I said on right over here, the title. It's the cheapest spring that you can buy for your Z. Oh my God, so many bugs. So you can buy this for 20 or 30 bucks. We're going to try to do this under 2 minutes. And I just realized that I don't really count myself when I'm doing 2 Minute Tuesday. So this doesn't really include on the process, just opening this. This is the cheapest spring that you can buy for your Z. Why? Well, if you own the 370Z, the clutch feels like a little bit of like a switch. It's either you go in or out. That's it. You kind of don't have the feel of like softness. It's just rough. This could definitely help that. There's 3 ways to do this. It's either A, remove the clutch helper spring entirely. Number 2, you do this. Or number 3, get that RJM clutch pedal. Which can be adjusted. Got so many bugs. I'm going on the second route, which is changing the stock spring with a softer spring. So let's get to it. So right now I'm not putting a lot of effort, but now there's a substantial amount of resistance there. So. And I'm not just overreacting, like sometimes I get cramps on my toes. Hi! You're not my cat. Hi, Rex. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. This is not your... I think my daughter's watching. Uh-oh. So this spring is called Infiniti G37, G37S, Nissan 370Z, 370Z, 6MT clutch pedal assist spring. So let's get to replacing this spring, and in hopes of it's just gonna be 2 minutes, but I doubt that it's gonna be 2 minutes just for the fact that it's so cramped down there. And I hate working on a 370Z interior. I swear, if you worked on one and you're a bigger guy than me, I can't. I don't know. I'm already sweating. Bugs! Alright, so there are 2 things that you will require to remove. This C-clip right over here that you need to turn around so that you can access or you can push it out. And then this pin right over here that'll just push to the left, and then boom, you have access to your clutch helper spring. I should have put a disclaimer. The idea was 2 minutes. The execution was more than 30 minutes. Why? Well, okay. This pin is a little bit of a bitch. So here's the assembly of our clutch pedal spring. This is the OEM spring versus the helper spring. As you can see, less but thick coils. This one has more coils but thinner. This has more resistance than over this, and we're going to change it with this by just simply kaboom, put the top hat back, and this. Now we have to go down there and place it all the way back. 2.5 hours later, I finally finished replacing my clutch spring helper. I'm gonna do a quick review of the entire shebang, starting with the product. The product it's good. for the price. The installation, it's a little difficult because I was on my back, I was on my side, my back hurts now. I am filled with mosquito bites. The problem was I was holding it in a really weird position. Therefore, I may or may not have scorched the pin and the bottom piece, basically. Needed a little bit of tugging and putting back. Grease, hence the paper towel. I'm gonna go out and try it. This is the first time I failed 2 Minute Tuesday, so ooh. That already felt really good. I'm gonna keep this for now, just in case that I do not like how everything feels down there. As of right now, if I put my foot on the clutch, just like resting, I can feel everything. For anybody who've done this clutch spring helper replacement, let me know in the comment section below if that's actually what you feel, because now I'm kind of second guessing if did I do the right thing. So I'm just gonna go for a drive. Ooh. Oh my god, that is really late. God, there's so much bugs. Mosquito. Let's try. Oh, I'm sending it. Okay. It's actually not that bad. So if you want to check out after a month on how the clutch spring helper is doing, hit the subscribe button, you know? See you on the next video. Take it easy, folks.